Hi, my name is Michael, head of the Customer Service Department of Decibel Hearing Aids, and today I'll be going over proper usage, maintenance, and troubleshooting of the S1 hearing aid. All right, so let's get started. For usage, turning the device on and off, all you do is press the button right below the M, hold for 3 seconds until the light flashes green. That means your device is on. Same thing with turning it off. You'll hold the button for 3 seconds, it will flash red this time, and then your device is off. For volume control, there's positive and negative designations. So to turn the volume up, you'll press the positive. To turn the volume down, you'll press the negative. To attach a silicone dome, all you do is grab one that properly fits your ear, snugly put it over the tip of the tubing and securely slip it on like so. Same goes for taking it off. You just pull it off like so. There are designations, left and right designations for these hearing aids. For your right ear, be sure that you're putting in the color red with the 2B designation on it, right at the end where you're inserting the dome into your ear. 2B red means right. On the other one, 2B blue is left ear designated. So how to install these, you simply slip on the dome like I showed you before, put it around your ear with the device over the edge, slide in the dome, and then with the stabilizer bar, slip it inside of your ear like so. Perfectly fits. You can see I'm shaking my head, not coming off, not coming loose. It's a perfect fit. Now, when charging your device, be sure you're using one of the micro USB cords we've provided. Simply slide it into the end here, end of the hearing aid, and there you go. It's that simple. And you'll plug the other end into a charging cube, plug it into the wall, and it should be fine within hours. When it's red and it's charging, that means it's in progress. But once it turns green, that means that the charging process is finished. Now, to maintain your hearing aid, one thing that you'll need to keep in mind is how to change the domes. Now, you simply, like I said before, slip it on, make sure it's secure. And let's say, for example, you know, this one isn't fitting very well and you want to try another. All you need to do is pop it off, put on the smaller one in case you have a smaller ear canal. Fits on the exact same way. It's that simple. Now for cleaning the dome, all you'll need to do is take it off, just like I showed you before, and use this cleaning brush provided inside of the accessory box. So you'll just clean around the dome itself. Be sure you're also cleaning the entrance point of the dome to the hearing aid and around the receiver itself, which is located at the base of the plastic tubing. Now for replacing the tubing, each of the tubes is screw on and screw off. So you'll start by taking it off. You'll start turning counterclockwise until you have it off. Now you'll replace it and then you'll start and you'll put it on clockwise. And you'll screw it until it's secure enough and in the proper positioning like so, perfectly lined up over the receiver. In the troubleshooting section, we're gonna go over a few problems that you might experience. So let's get started. The first problem you might experience is whistling. So if your device is whistling a lot, please be sure that you're cleaning the microphone located at the base of the plastic tubing, right here. Now you can take off your tubing to better get at the microphone or receiver itself, and just be sure to thoroughly brush any obstructions out of the way. Another thing you might do if there is whistling is lower the volume. The volume might be a little bit too high, so you want to lower it and make sure it's perfect. The next thing you'll want to do is charge your device, because it might not be completely charged if it's whistling. So you'll plug it in and wait until the button turns green right here, and then you'll want to try again. The second problem you might run into is if the sound volume is way too low. One thing you want to do is check the battery. So once again, you're going to want to plug in your charger, wait till it turns green, and then try. Also, make sure you're turning up the volume when you turn it back on, because it does reset the volume every time you turn it on and off. Be sure that you're cleaning around the receiver, because any obstruction will limit the amount of volume input that you're getting. Also be sure you're cleaning where the silicone dome is being inserted. Another problem you might have is if the device itself is not charging. And if that's the case, please be sure that the power cord, the micro USB, is plugged in properly, like so. And you'll want to check if this is glowing red, because if it's not glowing at all, that means it's not charging. My name's Michael. Thank you for choosing Decibel Hearing Aids. We know you're going to love it.